If you're looking to tap into SaaS affiliate programs and maximize your earnings, PartnerStack is an absolute game changer. In this quick guide, we'll walk through how to use PartnerStack to manage and scale your affiliate partnerships effectively. Whether you're new to affiliate marketing or you've been in the game for a while, stick with me, because I'm going to give you all the insider tips on using this powerful platform to its fullest. And just so you know, you can get started completely free through the exclusive link below, along with some awesome bonuses. Stay tuned to the end because I've got something special for you. So let's get into it. PartnerStack is a robust affiliate marketing platform designed specifically for SaaS companies. It helps both affiliate marketers and SaaS businesses to track, manage, and scale their partnerships with ease. If you're managing multiple partnerships or just starting with affiliate programs, PartnerStack's dashboard is your best friend. It's super user-friendly with all the tools you need right at your fingertips. When you first sign up, the platform will guide you through setting up your affiliate program or joining others. If you're a marketer looking to promote SaaS products, you can search for different SaaS companies to partner with. You'll be able to see the details about each program, including the commission structure, payout terms, and other vital information that helps you decide where to invest your time and efforts. The great part about PartnerStack is that it simplifies the entire process for both the affiliate and the SaaS business. Once you're in a program, PartnerStack gives you access to a wide range of promotional materials like banners, landing pages, and affiliate links. These make it much easier to market the products without having to create your own assets from scratch. Plus, you can track your performance in real time. This is crucial because you can see exactly which campaigns are working, allowing you to adjust your strategy on the fly. If you're a SaaS company using PartnerStack, the setup process is equally straightforward. You can easily integrate PartnerStack with your existing CRM, email, and payment platforms to streamline operations. The platform's flexibility allows you to set up different types of rewards and bonuses for your affiliates, so you can incentivize them to perform even better. The automation here is key. No more manual tracking of affiliate activity. What makes PartnerStack really stand out is its community feature. As an affiliate, you can connect with other marketers, share tips, and even collaborate on campaigns. This is where the real power of networking comes into play. Plus, PartnerStack provides detailed reports and analytics that give you deeper insights into the performance of your campaigns. You can see which affiliates are performing best, which marketing strategies are driving the most traffic, and how to scale your program for long-term growth. Now, if you're new to affiliate marketing or new to PartnerStack, don't worry. The learning curve is really manageable. PartnerStack's tutorials and support resources are incredibly helpful. They offer everything from simple walkthroughs to in-depth strategy guides, so you can learn how to grow your affiliate business effectively. Let me remind you that you can start using PartnerStack for free right now by clicking the link below. It's a no-brainer for anyone serious about building affiliate partnerships in the SaaS space. And here's the bonus. By using my exclusive link, you'll get access to an extended free trial, which is a rare deal you don't want to miss. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to optimize your existing affiliate marketing efforts, PartnerStack is the tool you need. It's all about streamlining the affiliate management process, maximizing your revenue, and growing alongside the brands you work with. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to grab your extended free trial. You won't regret it. PartnerStack is truly the way to go if you want to take your SaaS affiliate marketing to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.